Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak to you about how I keep attracting unexpected income. Yes, unexpected income. If you watch this video, I'm going to tell you what I did to attract this income, and at the same time, tell you how you can do it also. So watch this video all the way to the end, and listen, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. And if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical Life Coaching channel that brings you information in an easy to understand fashion to help change your life. So now let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to say about me attracting unexpected income or me attracting money? If you follow me, you would know last year I put out a video on how I manifested $22,000. This year, around maybe 4 weeks ago, I put out a video about how I manifested $14,000. Okay? Now that $14,000 was part of my income tax, which we were allowed to do it late up to July 14th or 15th, something like that. And when I did it, I got back much more than what I usually get. Much more. I got $14,000. So now, here it is again. I am still manifesting money. I am still doing the things that I was doing. And I went to my mailbox last night, and guess what? There was a piece of paper, an envelope in there, and I was about to rip it up. I thought it was junk mail. So when I looked at it and I said, this is like an Amazon thing. I know I was doing a little thing with Amazon at one point. And I said, well, they owe me some money anyway, so let me just open this up. Maybe they sent me a check. I opened it up and I said, wow, this is not Amazon. This is a thing that I went through, a program that I went through that I did not like, and I left it alone. What it is, I wasn't the only person that left that alone. And these people were sued. Out of the blue, from nowhere, I received a check for $123. Listen, I did not expect this. This is totally unexpected income. I didn't put in any paperwork to be part of any lawsuit, but I received $123 from a program that I took 3 or 4 years ago. This is all part of unexpected income. You're probably saying, oh, Yvette, it's only $123. This is $123 that I manifested that I had no idea it was coming. You guys have to be very open and receptive to whatever God has coming your way. When you raise your vibration and your consciousness up to the level of where you want to be, and you are vibrating out, money comes in ways that you just don't know. I did not expect this $123. I did not expect $14,000 last month. I did not expect $22,000 last year. All of these things came to me and they came unexpected. Now, what did I do to attract all of this unexpected income? First of all, I would like to tell you guys, I listen to money affirmations. Okay? I listen to money affirmations every single day. Okay? You could do it once a day. I do it once a day. Some people do it twice a day. My money affirmation that I have on my channel, it's 20 minutes. Okay? And the only thing you have to do is play it. And basically, even though you're driving or you're doing housework, that video is playing in the background, and your subconscious, which hears everything, is absorbing it. Again, I play my money affirmations for my YouTube channel every single day, and then I also state money affirmations while I'm in the mirror or while I'm driving or whatever it is. I do this, it takes a couple of minutes, and believe me, it works. Okay? I'm just showing you $123 that I just manifested out of the blue, and I already did the video how I manifest $14,000 last month. So I'm just bringing this to you guys to let you guys know this is real, okay? Do your money affirmations at the same time. Listen to some money affirmations videos in the background. Listen to them and let your subconscious mind absorb the information. Now, by you listening to money affirmations and speaking your money affirmations, money might come to you in all different ways and all different sizes. The main thing is to acknowledge it and thank the universe for blessing you with it and bring out that vibration of happiness so that you can attract more. You get a lot of people that attract money, $5, $10, and think it's nothing, and actually just say, hey, look, it's just a coincidence. The more you acknowledge the universe for giving you certain things, for giving you things in your life, the more you will get. Now, I'm getting people that are writing me stating that the money affirmations or the mirror work or some other form of my teaching has helped them change their lives. People are telling me that they manifest small amounts of money, large amounts. Some people tell me they manifested new jobs or receive a promotion. I am very happy to say that if you continue to listen to the money affirmations and listen to some of my videos speaking on manifesting, that you can do it too. But when you get something, don't forget to acknowledge it, to thank God, the universe, for blessing you with whatever it is that you received. Some people get things, $5, $10, and they wipe it off as if it's nothing. It is actually unexpected income. I just received, again, $123. This is something that I did not expect. And I say, thank you, God. Thank you. And I know there's more to come. Last month, again, I just manifested $14,000. What I'm telling you is to listen to money affirmations every single day. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever it is. It's best to listen to it before you go to bed or upon awakening. At this point right now, I'm doing it early in the morning before I start off on my day. The other thing is speak money affirmations. Speak it every morning for about 2 minutes, 1 minute, and then go about your day. Listen, don't look for it. Just go about your day, okay? When you look for something, when you're expecting every single day, every single minute to receive something, that's when you're interfering with whatever God has for you. And it's almost like you are doubting that it's coming. The more you release it and go about your day is when you're going to get those unexpected surprises. That's when you're going to open up your mailbox and receive checks in the mail like I did. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, always bringing you law of attraction, metaphysical knowledge. If you like this video or if you want some more of my videos, please like, please subscribe. Don't forget to tap that bell. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com, where you can receive one-on-one coaching. You can also go to store.myworldofmetaphysics.com, where you can buy crystals and metaphysical items. So listen, again, this is Yvette. Namaste.